Haven't seen you in a while, Cooper. What have you been up to, you old fart?
Well, nothing much, but lately I'm having problem with my furnace. It makes this annoying clicking sound, and I think it's a bomb and get scared every single time.
Maybe you've watched too many movies.
I sure did. Do you have any idea what the problem might be?
To be honest, I do, but not on an empty stomach.
Oh, okay, I see where you're going. Check the menu and see what you like and I'll order it for you.
Now that's more like it. So about the clicking sound now, it might be that you have a dirty gas burner. You shouldn't clean it on your own though, because gas leak or injury may occur.
I'm quite savvy, but if you say it's dangerous, I won't do it.
Smell for gas and check for extensive corrosion as well. If there's any, make sure you turn the furnace off, leave your house and contact the gas company as soon as possible.
Understood.
Another thing that could cause the clicking sound is the gas valve. If you can still hear the clicking sound when igniting the furnace, you may need to replace the gas solenoid.
I see, I can do this on my own.
Great. Another reason for the annoying sound might be the combustion air motor, more specifically an obstruction in it. To fix this, use a can of compressed air and blow dirt out and through the hose.
Thank you very much for these tips, Parker. They really are useful and I think I know what the problem with my furnace is.
Happy I could help. By the way, my order didn't arrive yet.